If you're looking for dogs toys by Ethical, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet lovers' most popular dogs toys by Ethical. Number 1, most popular by Ethical Pets. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Ethical Pets. Number 3. For more details about these dogs' toys, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Ethical Pets. Find these dogs' toys by Ethical at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dogs' toys by Ethical ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Ethical.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.